Okay, so I am going to hop over to here, and I've actually already got it pulled up, so we'll go convert that PEM file Disney, whoops, Disney, change this, Disney World, PEM. Done this a few times. Okay, quit that, and go up here, and let's see. Uh-oh. Okay, just to be safe, I'm gonna reopen it. God. Okay. Well, I don't know what that did, but okay. Almost forgot. Oops. Pause. Okay, so we finished that. Fresh start, and we are going to add our friend Luke. Make his password. Of course they do not. Okay, skip all that. Yes, the information is correct. Good. Now let's check him. And we're in, so we'll just hold on that. OMG. Okay. And then we want to go to the home directory and make Vader folder. See if that's there. Oops. Okay. Then our file. Check that. Cool. So now we switch into that. And we're going to change the home directory of Luke. So I always have to pull that because it looks a little weird. So we're going to hit I for insert, come all the way down to my friend, and Vader. Okay. Then we hit, oops, that. All right, quit. Okay. him. Home Vader. Perfect. And we're going to exit out of Luke. And okay. Okay, so now I'm going to change the ownership attempt. So we'll go and then to home and just take a look. So I think what I want is Luke and Luke, and then I did Star Wars and Star Wars, so let's do that. Okay, moment of truth. Cool beans. Alright, so now I'm going to try and change these things. So I think you said we want the folder to be just X for the user and then nothing else. So let's look at that. Okay. I think. Right? No. False. Maybe 100. Sweet. Okay. So I think this one is, Lord help me, or 544. Because we want, perfect. I think that's it. Okay, real quick, just to check all that, let's go Luke. Interesting. Hold on. Why? Permission denied. Okay, so I'm not sure why, but it says permission denied when I try and do it there, but I went into the home directory, I guess, and it seems, I mean, it's there. So I think that that's good. I assume we'll have another class where we can ask questions, and I will ask about this, but hopefully that is good to go.